Welcome back, guys. Thank y'all for joining me on this video. We are going from, where are we at? Charlotte, North Carolina up to Washington Courthouse, Ohio. Just picked up a load of water heaters, and it's not even a load. It's only 4,400 pounds. So I'm very thankful about that. I'm gonna turn around, and because I can't make that turn out the gate, so I'm gonna go ahead and whip around so I can turn, or can get out the gate. Go back here and shut the doors, throw a strap on this old girl, and we will. This isn't gonna work. I'm not gonna make that, so we're just gonna do this here. We're gonna go a long way around on the property, but we keep it under 5 miles an hour. That way we don't trip our E-log. Man, what a pivot point here. Goodness gracious. Get up here on flat ground. I've tried to shut these trailer doors before when the trailer was at like a weird kick, and I couldn't do it. The top bar or claw, whatever, that goes to the hooks onto the trailer up top was higher than the actual spot it needs to hook, so I couldn't do it. I think we're good where we're at now. We're gonna leave room in case somebody comes in. Still throw a strap on this and yeah, get on the road. All right, we got a strap. And again, like the last video, I should have wore a head cam, but I didn't. All right, that's done. Yeah, this trailer's pretty well beat up. It's a rough one. Let's get in here and do this. All right. Let's make sure the door's shut, right? It was pouring down rain whenever I pulled in here, so that's why I didn't get any footage of anything getting in. But yeah, guys, we're all sealed up, ready to go. Let's go pound some pavement. What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? 4,400 pounds in the box. This is it's compressed natural, or not natural gas, but compressed gas. But because it's in boxes, it's exempt from running hazmat, which is nice. And I have an exemption form, all stamped by the government, all that kind of stuff. So we're able to run this like a regular load. So let's get down the road.
Hallelujah, she's a mother, a lover, a wife and a friend, always there to lend a helping hand to anyone. She's a preacher, a teacher, judge and nurse, a chauffeur, umpire, cashier, clerk, and a cloudy time when I needed one. Taught us all about right from wrong, stand up tall and grow up strong, and don't tell lies. You don't have to, son. Give yourself, give all you can. Give to help your fellow man. And love. Love all the time. She's a mother, a lover, a wife, and a friend. Always there to lend.
We are pulling right on up Mount Airy here. Just over halfway up the top. 61 mile an hour. I could probably go a little more, but I don't want to waste too much fuel. We're doing all right. Pulling up this grade. It helps when you only got 4,400 pounds in the box. Hey driver, I'll leave your paint at the top of the hill for you. Yeah, buddy, this is like a 7.8 mile grade from the bottom to the top. Pretty decent hill. It's nice when you're empty. I only got 4,500 pounds in. Let the Jake sing a little bit when we get up top here. Start going down. Tell you what, it's a heck of a view though. That fog covers a lot. We're almost there, ladies and gentlemen. Trying to keep it under 20 pounds of boost, so I'm not just hammering full boost all the way up the hill. That will destroy the old fuel mileage. I think there's a tunnel on top of this. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh, boo. I'll back her down. are here at Menards. Early, it's supposed to deliver tomorrow morning. Sorry about the volume. I was on the phone whenever I pulled in. I totally forgot to record all this, but we're going over here to door 107 and 108. See about live unloading this thing if they can do it tonight. I don't see any empty trailers as far as Landstars go. Hopefully they can just get me unloaded because it's only 10 pallets. Then I can shoot on down the road to my next one. We are gonna go down here to 129. Go ahead and live unload us real quick. You come on out there, brother. You staying there then or what? Come on, come on, come on, come on if you're going. I'll back in there next to you. If I could put my drone in the air to do this back end, and they're like, I don't know. So I'm like, all right then, I won't even do it. Let's just get this old girl in the hole. I thought I was. I hope this hole's not very big up here. Oh. I have a feeling this is going to be pretty quick. At least I hope so.
It's 8:48, so we'll see how long this takes to get unloaded, guys. All right, guys, we are we're empty. They just called me, and it's been just under 40 minutes, so that's pretty solid for a live unload. Menards here in where are we? Jeffersonville, Ohio. So I'm gonna loop around down here, basically park over there where I was, get out and shut the doors, and then run inside, get my paperwork. Thank y'all for riding along with me and trucking. Like I say all the time, I really do enjoy it, guys. I enjoy doing this. Hopefully y'all enjoy the videos as much as I enjoy putting them out. Anything in particular you want to see, got questions, whatever, you know where to leave them in the comment section below, right? I got an email too if you want to email me. Message me on Instagram. I'm not super active on Instagram, but I do get notified if I get new messages, stuff like that, so feel free to message me there if you like. Yeah, let your family know you love them, guys. Give them hugs and kisses every chance you get. Give God all the glory, continue to seek him, and thank a veteran and carry a weapon. You are your first responder. And I will see y'all in the next one. Y'all be good. Have a good night. See y'all.